Soldiers of the International Legion captures a Russian occupier. The foreign warrior writes in the subtitles of the video that he could have shot a Russian, just like those of the captured Ukrainian soldier, but adds that he would never do that, because he fights professionally.
Ruki! Ruki! Ask him if there are more! Ask him if there are more! Get the fucking gun away!
I got hands.
Тут є ще люди тут.
You guys stay back just for a second.
Один.
Stay back.
He's alone, he's alone. He's alone.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Якщо наїбав, пристрілюй.
Someone watch my 6, please.
Не наїбав, я ж знаю.
Hey, I got the 6. You talk with him! Vlad, talk with him!
What else do you have on you? Do you have the if you have a good head, you'll shoot you in the head. Do you understand?
Yeah. You got some zip ties?
I do not. Are we searching first? Want to roll him?
Russian media say this is near Astrakhan in Russia. Ferries there stopped working, so locals have to pull them manually. Note that it's almost exclusively women doing the work. Russian Wagnerians attempting a nighttime patrol in Bakhmut. In the end, they found out that the night was planned for rest after all. In Mikhailivka in northern Kherson Oblast, a pair of Ukrainian Mi-8S conduct a low-level lobbed rocket attack across the Dnipro River into Russian-held territory.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.